In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cache everything in Cloudflare. This is a great way to improve your website's performance by ensuring that Cloudflare caches as much of your site's content as possible. This can help reduce the load on your server and provide a faster experience for your visitors. Now, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Cloudflare dashboard. Ensure you're logged in, then head over to the Cloudflare homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the option labeled Domains. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the list of all the domains that are currently managed under your Cloudflare account. In this list, find the domain you want to configure. This step is crucial because the settings we'll adjust next are domain specific. Once you've located your domain, click on it to proceed to the domain settings. Next, you'll want to look for the caching option in the menu. Click on caching to move forward. This is where you'll find various settings related to caching that Cloudflare offers. It's crucial to know that proper caching can drastically improve your website's speed and decrease the server load, so you're in the right place. Now, look for cache rules beneath the caching options and click on it. This is where you will be able to create specific rules for how Cloudflare manages the cache for your site. Upon entering cache rules, you should see an option that allows you to create a new rule. Click on Create Rule. You'll need to give your rule a name. This name doesn't impact how the rule works, but it's good practice to provide a descriptive name so you can easily recognize it in the future. After naming your rule, look for an option to add a custom filter expression. This will allow you to define more specific rules about what should be cached. Next, type in the URL you want to apply these cache settings to. This helps Cloudflare know exactly what part of your domain you're targeting with this caching rule. If you're not sure what to specify, you might need to consult your web developer or IT team for advice on appropriate URLs. For now, we're going to skip any further optional configurations as they are not required to enable basic cache functionality. Finally, with everything set up, you can click on the Deploy button. Deploying will activate the new cache rule on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled cache everything in Cloudflare. This should help streamline the delivery of your site's content to users worldwide, achieving better performance and reduced server load. If you have any further questions or need additional configuration, Cloudflare's documentation and support are excellent resources to check out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.